Bad dog. Look at that. That happens to be a $10 bill. It was in my wallet. That girl's okay. That is the bad girl. Look at, she's, oh, you're such a bad girl. What did you do? What did you do, Angel? You better hide your head. And then, look at this. No, look at another $10 bill. A rewards card chewed up. A few more cards have been chewed up. Mail. I want to kill her. I want to kill that dog. What'd you do, Angel? Were you a bad girl? Why did you do that? My purse was up on the table, and you had to open my purse and get my wallet out. Bad girl. I'm ashamed of you. What did she do? Can't you keep her straight? Can't you tell her to be a good girl? I don't know what to do.